I'm really enjoying our walk this afternoon. It's nice to just wander around the city on a Saturday with no specific plan.
I agree. It feels very relaxing. What time is it now, by the way? I feel like we have been walking for a while.
Let me just check my watch. It says, that can't be right.
What's wrong?
My watch says it is still 11 o'clock, but we met for coffee at 11:30, so that is impossible. My watch has stopped working.
Oh dear. Is it a new watch?
No, I've had it for a few years. It's been working perfectly until now. This is very annoying. I rely on my watch to know the time.
Don't worry too much. It is probably just a very simple problem. The battery is probably dead. A watch battery only lasts for a couple of years, and then you need to replace it.
The battery is dead? Of course, I didn't even think of that. I was worried that the watch itself was broken. So I just need to get a new battery?
Exactly. It should be a very quick and easy fix.
So where can I go to get a new battery? Do I need to send my watch back to the manufacturer, to the company that made it? That sounds very complicated and expensive.
No, not at all. You only need to do that for a major repair. For a simple battery change, you can go to any good watchmaker or jeweler.
A watchmaker. The German word is Uhrmacher, right? A person who repairs watches.
That's right. Most jewelers also offer this service. They have the special tools to open the back of the watch without scratching it, and they have all the different sizes of batteries.
That's a huge relief. I don't want to be without my watch for weeks. Look, speaking of the devil, there is a small shop just down the street. The sign says Uhren and Schmuck, which means watches and jewelry.
You see? It's a sign. Let's go in and ask if they can help you.
This looks like a very old and traditional shop. It looks a bit intimidating.
It looks very charming. Don't be nervous. The owners of these small, family-run shops are usually very friendly and helpful. Let's go inside.
Okay. Wow. It is amazing in here. Look at all the beautiful old clocks on the walls. And the sound of them all ticking is so lovely.
It is. It's like a little museum. Look, there is a man behind the counter. He must be the watchmaker. He is wearing one of those special magnifying glasses on his eye.
He looks very professional. Okay, what should I say to him?
Just be polite and explain your problem clearly. You could start with, "Good afternoon. I was wondering if you could possibly help me, please."
And then I can say, my watch has stopped working, and I think it just needs a new battery. Is that a service that you offer?
That is a perfect and very clear way to ask. Let's go up to the counter.
Good afternoon. My watch has stopped working. I think it needs a new battery. Can you help me with that?
The watchmaker is smiling. He is saying, "Good afternoon. Yes, of course. Let me have a look at it for you.
That's great. I will take my watch off my wrist now and give it to him.
He is taking your watch and examining it very carefully. He is looking at the front and the back.
He says it is a very nice watch. He is now getting a small, special tool from his drawer. It looks a bit like a knife.
He is using that tool to very carefully open the back of the watch case. It requires a lot of skill to do that without making a scratch.
The back is open now. He is looking inside with his magnifying glass. He is taking out the tiny old battery with a pair of tweezers. What is he saying? He is confirming our suspicion. He says, "Yes, your diagnosis was correct. The battery is completely dead, but the rest of the watch mechanism looks to be in perfect condition."
That is great news. So your watch is not broken at all. It just needs a new battery, as we thought.
It is. The watchmaker is saying that he has the correct replacement battery in stock and that he can replace it for me right now.
Wonderful. That is excellent service.
Before I say yes, there is a very important question that I should ask him first.
And what is that?
I should ask about the price. It is always a good idea to agree on the cost before you agree to a service.
That is very wise. You don't want any nasty surprises at the end. So, what are you going to ask him?
I will just ask a simple question. That's great news. How much will that cost, please?
What did he say?
He says the total price, including the new battery and the service, will be 15 euros. What do you think? Is that a reasonable price?
15 euros is a very standard and fair price for a professional watch battery replacement in the city. I think it's very reasonable.
Okay, I am very happy with the price, so I will tell him to go ahead. Yes, please, that would be great. Thank you.
The watchmaker is smiling and nodding. He is going to start the work now.
I have another important question that I should probably ask him.
You are being a very smart customer today. What is your next question?
I want to know how long the repair will take. It's important to know the time frame.
That is another excellent question. It's good to manage your expectations.
So I will ask him, how long will it take? Do I need to leave the watch here and come back later?
He is saying that it is a very quick and simple job. He says it will only take him about 5 to 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That is incredibly fast service. I was expecting to have to come back tomorrow.
He says we are welcome to just wait in the shop while he does it. Or we can go for a quick walk and come back in 10 minutes. What would you prefer to do?
I think it's better if we just wait here in the shop. It is so interesting in here. I would like to have a look around.
I agree. It will be fun to browse while he is working. The watchmaker has gone back to his workbench with your watch. He is starting the repair.
Let's look at the watches they have for sale in these glass display cases. Look at these ones. They are very modern. They have digital displays and lots of different functions.
They are very high-tech, but I have to say, I prefer the more classic, traditional style of watch, like this one here.
The one with the simple white face and the brown leather strap?
Yes, it is so elegant and timeless. It's an analog watch with the hour hand and the minute hand. It's so simple and beautiful.
It is very nice. Oh, and look in this cabinet over here. They have some antique pocket watches. They are so beautiful.
They are like little pieces of history. It's amazing to think that these were made over 100 years ago, by hand, without any modern technology. We have been browsing for a few minutes now. The watchmaker is walking back over to the counter from his workbench. I think he might be finished already.
That was so fast. He is smiling and holding my watch. He says, "Here you are, sir. All finished."
That is fantastic service. Let's have a look at your watch.
I'm looking at the face of the watch now. The little second hand is moving. It is ticking around the dial again. My watch is alive.
That is a wonderful sight to see. It's working perfectly.
The watchmaker is telling me that he has also set the correct time and date for me. That is very thoughtful of him.
It is. He is a true professional.
And he says he also took the opportunity to clean the inside of the watch case and the little electrical contacts. He says this will help the new battery to last longer.
Wow, that is really going above and beyond. That is the difference between a real craftsman and a big, impersonal store.
I am so happy with this service. The watchmaker was so professional, so fast, and so friendly. My watch is working perfectly again.
I told you it would be a good idea to come to a small, traditional shop like this.
You were right. Now, the final step. I need to pay for the service. The watchmaker is waiting patiently by his cash register.
How much was it again? I have forgotten.
The total price was 15 euros. I will get my wallet out. In a small, independent shop like this, it is often better to pay with cash if you can.
That's a good point. Many small shops prefer cash because they have to pay a fee for every card transaction.
I have a 20 euro note right here. That is perfect. I will give this to him. Here you are. Thank you so much for your help.
He is giving you your change now, 5 euros.
Thank you again for the wonderful, fast service. You have saved my watch.
That was such a pleasant and successful experience. Your problem is completely solved.
It is. Let's leave the shop now so the watchmaker can get back to his work. Thank you. Goodbye.
We are back out on the sunny street now. Let me see your watch on your wrist again.
Here it is. It feels so good to have it back on and working. I feel a bit lost without it. It's ticking away happily.
It looks great. And now you know exactly what to do in a couple of years when this new battery runs out.
I do, and I will definitely come back to this exact same shop. The service was just outstanding. Thank you so much for your help today, Speaker 2.
My help? I didn't do anything.
You did. You reassured me when I was worried. You knew what kind of shop to look for, and you encouraged me to go inside and ask for help. You were my support system.
Well, I am happy I could help. Now, we can continue our lovely Saturday walk.
And now you will always know exactly what time it is.